Good morning, guys. I have another advent calendar video for you today. We have the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty, a curated beauty collection. This retails for $19.99. It is available only at Trader Joe's. Now, I love shopping at Trader Joe's, but we moved 2 years ago and we don't have one near me anymore. So I haven't been there in a long time. And I just happened to be in the area, so I stopped by and they have really stepped up their beauty aisle. I didn't even know they have so many beauty products, so I picked up a few in addition to this advent calendar. Just want to show you quickly. I got the vitamin E oil blend. I got these micellar cleansing wipes. And then this eye cream, which is very hydrating. I've already started using this. These all were like $4 to $6. Great affordable beauty products. And then again, the advent calendar is $19.99. By the way, they do have a few other advent calendars. They have a 99-cent chocolate advent calendar, so I got a few of those for my kids. And then they even have these really cute advent calendars for dogs and cats. So cute. I got the dog one for our neighbor. We don't have pets, but my neighbor's just got a puppy and my boys love to go over and play. So here are the 12 Days of Beauty advent calendar. It has this little illustration on the front. And then on the back tells you what's inside. So if you want to pause and take a look, I tried to be a little surprised about the content. So I kind of just glanced over it real quick, but I didn't really look closely. But let's go ahead and open this up. Very thin advent calendar. I'm just going to assume these are minis, which is fine. It's only $19.99. Okay, so day one is right here in the middle. Day one. The cardboard is pretty decent quality. This isn't ripping here. So for day one, we have the Trader Joe's Eucalyptus Lemon Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. This is a really decent size for a hand cream. The L'Occitane advent calendar are like, I feel like they're half this size. Okay, let's try it out. Again, oh, I already squeeze it, I guess, a little bit. Little toothpaste tube cap. Oh, this smells so good. Eucalyptus and lemon. Very earthy and refreshing. Smells really nice, very hydrating. I like to put it around my cuticles. Again, I have not shopped at Trader Joe's in literally years, so I have pretty much absolutely no familiarity with their beauty products, but so far so good. Day two is here. We have daily facial sunscreen. I have been obsessed with sunscreen recently. I try to wear sunscreen that is at least SPF 40 or above. And then if I wear foundation, I prefer that it's at least like 15, SPF 15 or more. So the hand cream doesn't have the expiration, but I'm guessing because this is a sunscreen and has SPF, it tells you when it expires so that, you know, it's not as effective anymore. Okay, let's try this out. We're traveling soon, so I'll go ahead and pack this with me. But okay, so it's a gel, like a clear gel sunscreen. The directions say apply liberally on your face and neck 15 minutes before sun exposure. Make sure you apply SPF on your neck. Don't forget that part. And also like your collarbones and décolleté. So this kind of feels a little silicone-y for me. Okay, daily facial sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 40. This one has the drug facts on here because it's an SPF. So I just want to see what's in here. I think it's that dimethicone. I think that's the ingredient that feels a little silicone-y. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you know, if you wear makeup, like there are some primers that feel like really kind of slippery, like not like a lotion, but very like a slippery silicone-y feeling. That's not my favorite. I don't really like that. I'll use this, but I personally don't like that feeling of that kind of a silicone-y type sunscreen, I guess. I'll still use it, especially, again, it's important to put it on your neck. And then I would keep this in my car maybe, and then apply it on the back of my hands. It's also important to put SPF on the back of your hands, especially when you're driving. So day three is here. We have another hand cream. These are really decent sizes for hand creams, I think. Okay, this is Cranberry Orange Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Cranberry. Just to show you what it looks like, that's the hand cream. It's white, but it's almost like a peachy, orangey color, like very, very light, maybe like a salmon color. Very citrusy. I don't know if I smell cranberry. I smell the orange more, but very nice. Day four is down here. And I'll open this up for you. Ooh, okay, day four is the oil absorbing clay face mask. I don't want to open this, but you can kind of feel the mask moving around in there. Okay, it says here, directions: apply an even layer to a clean towel dried face. Leave for about 20 minutes, rinse off with warm water and towel dry. With clay and mud face masks, just because it gets a little messy, especially around my hairline, I would usually apply this right before I'm about to take a shower. So I'll like apply it, maybe clean my bathroom a little bit and let it do its magic, and then get in the shower and then wash it all off along with washing my hair. So, okay, I'll try this out. Okay, day five is here. Her eye right here. Ooh, hair detangler. I guess like a leave-in conditioner. Directions, it says apply on wet or towel dried hair. Comb through and style as usual. Perfect for daily use. Use on dry hair for hydration, shine, or to control flyaways. Okay, let's just try this out. Okay, it smells really good. It smells like a very fresh, clean, kind of a shampoo smell, like you just left the salon. I'll try this. I always have to run like a hair oil in my hair. I have really long hair and it's naturally straight, but I do get flyaways and like a little frizziness. So I have to kind of tame it down. Okay, day 6 is up here. Day 6, we have the Trader Joe's Brown Sugar Lip Scrub. Okay, let's open this up and okay. Yeah, brown sugar. Okay, it smells like cookie dough. It's really densely packed in there. You really need to kind of scrape it with your finger to get it up, but let's see. I love lip scrubs, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm always putting chapstick and lip balm, especially in the winter. I get just such dry, chapped lips. So I have to really exfoliate before I put any lip products on for the day. So very nice. Brown sugar lip scrub. Guys, again, I did not do any research into the products. I don't know the values of anything. I mean, I would assume they sell most of these individually. So I'll try to include maybe like a price breakdown in the description. But so far, I think it's a pretty good value for 20 bucks. Day 7, we have, ooh, candy cane body butter. I love the little tub. This smells so good. If you like peppermint, then you would love this. I don't know, some people don't like peppermint. I love peppermint. Food, peppermint candy, cookies, body care, lip balms. It smells like really delicious candy cane. All right, let's try this out. Very thick cream. Oh, this is so good. And I love this pot. I don't usually see this size of a super deluxe trial pot. This is 1 ounce of their body butter. Okay, this is definitely coming along with me on our trip soon. Okay, 8 is down here. Okay, day 8 is the Trader Joe's Eucalyptus Shower Steamer. And it doesn't have a sticker or anything. This is wrapped up. Okay, so I'm going to assume that this is similar to like a shower fizzy. Ulta used to sell, I don't know if they still sell it, but it's called like a shower fizz, I think. So it's similar to a bath bomb, but instead you drop it into your shower. And then as the water hits this, it kind of fizzes up and it just makes your shower smell so nice. These are great for people who don't have a bathtub. Some people don't have tubs in their home, or you just, if you don't like taking baths and you only prefer showers, these are great because you get that same kind of effect. I used to go to Equinox Gym and they have this eucalyptus steam shower in the locker room. Oh, it was amazing. It smelled like such a luxury spa. This is really exciting. Day 9, we have, ooh, this is so cute. Look at this. Okay. Day 9 is the exfoliating sugar cube. These are like an exfoliating scrubber and it's supposed to look like a little sugar cube. I mean, it is sugar in there. So when you're in the shower or the bath, you kind of just use this and scrub your body with it and it exfoliates your skin. Okay, very nice. Day 10 is right here. It's her little mustache finger and eye. We have cleanser. This is the Trader Joe's Kombucha Rose Oil Cleansing Oil. Okay, a lot of stuff going on. Kombucha, it's one of those things that's like hit or miss. You either love or hate it. My husband drinks it. I hate it so bad. It tastes so bad to me. But I like kombucha in facial products. I think Fresh Beauty does a kombucha facial essence. They have a whole collection and I think it's really good. Rose oil, I love rose oil. And then in general, this product is a cleansing oil. So if you have like a full face of makeup or you really want to do a very thorough double cleanse, you start with either a cleansing balm or cleansing oil, you know, rub it into your face. It gets all the dirt, all the makeup out of your face. And then you do a second cleanse with another lighter cleanser. And it has a little top here to get the oil. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, it just drops. It smells pretty good. Very nice. It smells rosy, but very earthy. And like not like a sweet fresh rose, but like a nighttime rose, if there is such a thing. Okay, so that is the Kombucha Rose Oil Cleansing Oil. Okay, day 11 is down here. We're almost at the end. Again, this is a 12-day calendar. So day 11 is rose bath salts with rose petals. Oh, that is so nice. I always buy from Ulta the Teals, is it Dr. Teals? Bath salts, either eucalyptus or lavender. And we just buy it in like, I feel like we buy it by the gallon. We take a lot of baths in this house. Okay, rose bath salts, and this has real rose petals. That is so cool. Like you can see the little granules and then the rose petals. I would buy a bag of rose bath salts with rose petals. Now that I'm going to try all these Trader Joe's beauty products, I definitely will go back and purchase definitely this. I haven't even tried it and I will get this. But we'll see how the other stuff is. And then for the grand finale, for day 12 up here, we have a lip balm, I think. Trader Joe's Marshmallow Moisturizing Lip Balm. Here it is, just a clear lip balm. It smells like marshmallows. Okay, lip balm. Perfect. We have the Marshmallow Moisturizing Lip Balm for day 12. Okay guys, that was the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty, a curated beauty collection advent calendar. I am really excited about, I think, almost everything here. Maybe the SPF. It's not my favorite formula, but I can always use an SPF and I will use it. And I don't know, I really like this candy cane body butter. This smells amazing. And these are really exciting. The shower steamer. For sure, if they sell these, I think these are such a great value. Trader Joe's has really such affordable pricing on their food, and so I'm glad that their beauty products also are very affordably priced. So if you have not already, definitely check out Trader Joe's beauty collection. Check out their advent calendars. I think this is a pretty good purchase. $19.99. I think it's worth it. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.